Hello everyone, welcome back to Yes Foodies. This recipe is another very interesting and very quick and yummy recipe, and that is Paneer Pulao, but that's in a pressure cooker.
Do like, share and subscribe to my channel Yes Foodies and press the bell icon to get notified. Do check the description box for the previous videos links.
Starting of the recipe, I have just cut the paneer into small cubes, medium sized cubes, and I'm just going to fry them lightly on a karai and take them out on a bowl. To start the recipe, the main thing, so I'm going to cook everything into a pressure cooker itself. I've added 2 tablespoons of oil, you can use ghee, and I've added 2 cardamom, 1 bay leaf and little bit of cinnamon stick and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and which I'm going to saute for about 30 seconds. And then to this I'm going to add 1 medium sized onion which I've finely chopped, and I'm going to add it to the oil, and I'm going to saute it till the onions are translucent. This is going to take about a minute or two. Once the onions are translucent, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook it for about a minute. Once the ginger garlic is cooked, I'm going to add 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped, and I'm going to cook the spices till the tomatoes are little soft. As you can see, the tomatoes has turned little softer. I'm just going to add a dash of water since the spices were sticking to the bottom. If your cooker is non-stick, avoid putting any water. So after the tomatoes have turned a little mushy, to this I'm going to add the spices. At first I'm going to add some salt, next some turmeric powder which is about 1/4 or half a teaspoon, next half a tablespoon of chili powder. Just going to mix it real quick. Now to this I'm going to add the rice. I have used long grain rice which I've soaked it for about 15 minutes. I have taken half a cup of long grain rice and I've soaked it for about 15 minutes. I'm going to add the rice, and also I'm going to add the paneer and give it a quick mix. Now to this I'm going to add the main ingredient, which is paneer masala powder. You can use biryani masala as well. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of paneer masala powder, giving it a quick mix, and then I'm going to add water. I have used half a cup of rice, so I'm going to add 1 cup of water. This is the measuring cup I've used for rice, and this is half cup, so I'm putting 2 cups of water which is equal to 1 cup and giving it a quick mix. Next I'm going to put some coriander leaves and then stick the lid on, and I'm going to cook it for 1 whistle on a medium flame. And after the pressure has released, open the cooker, and I'm going to open it and show it to you. Look at this, how beautiful. The paneer pulao is ready and it's really quick and easy. Definitely try it. And the super quick and easy paneer pulao is ready and served. Thank you for watching. Bye.